Babangana Zulum, has announced that the state government will subsidize the cost of petrol to 600 naira per litres for farmers in community affected by Boko Haram insurgency. A statement released on Saturday by the governor's senior special assistant on new media, Abdurrahman Bundi, said Zulum announced the subsidy on Friday evening during the flag-off distribution of farm inputs to over 5,000 farmers displaced by Boko Haram insurgency in Bama town. He said a litre of petrol sold between 1,000 naira and 1,200 naira in Maiduguri will be subsidized to the farmers for 600 naira. This is aimed at alleviating the financial burdens faced by farmers in communities that have suffered economic and infrastructural destructions due to years of conflict. The Commissioner for Agriculture will work with the brigade commander to ensure the delivery of the petroleum products to farmers in Bama town as soon as possible, he quoted the governor. He said Zulum distributed farm inputs, including 2,000 bags of blended NPK fertilizer, 1,000 units of water pumps, and 620 units of gasoline pumps. According to him, other materials include 380 units of solar water pumps, 1,000 units of sprayer, 800 rolls of 2-inch flexible hose, and 1,000 litres of pesticide and seeds, among other items. He said Zulum expressed gratitude to federal government for their tremendous support of his administration's efforts in reconstructing and resettling communities affected by insurgency. We'll continue to bring you fresh news updates. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.